So this is just a quick video to show you how to do quick codes, since the quick codes function changed a little bit in the latest version. What you need to do is, if you are in map survey, in the past you could just click long press to get a quick code. It's changed a little bit. So at the top it's now a category. So in here you can choose or set up a little template for different quick code library sets. So typically I would have one for roads and so on. So I will just go for roads, and then I need to add quick codes into that library. So I'll say new, and like before you can assign a point or a line type. So for instance, I want a line and point, and I will just say this is road edge left, and I'll give it a description here. This is going to go out when we export the layer for that line. And accept. So as soon as that's done, I will have to pick it. So you build a library, and it's a once-off process. So it feels a little bit more tedious, but it's expanded into the ability to build your own libraries of quick codes. So now if the user taps that point, the quick codes will work like normal. If you do not see the quick codes function on the screen, in your settings, it's down in your quick code section here, and then you can also expand on this the number of rows and columns, which is quite new in this version, in that you can add a lot of extra quick codes in your list. And as always, you can say how many pages of these different quick codes you want in your quick codes grid. So there's the pages option. Yeah, so now you know. So let's cancel that, and let's go back in there. Sorry, it's up there, and I'm gonna click on this one. And so this is the only thing that really changed, but it allows us some flexibility. So I can have a category group for stormwater, I can have one for cadastral or topo surveys, depending on your requirements. I will just quickly add one more point in there. Let's say I have to put a benchmark in. So I'm just going to say in my roads group, I'm going to say new. I'm going to say this is a benchmark or a manual or whatever. And I'll just call this benchmark also, and accept, and that's now a point feature. So I'll say accept. Alright, so it's a little bit longer and needs a little bit of office work, I would say, but the library builds as you survey, so it's not too difficult to do it in the field. But we found that some people struggle with this, and I just needed to mention it here in a little video. Hope you enjoy this, and I hope you come right. If you do not, as always, you can contact us, and yeah, let us know if you need any more videos like this.